Are you tired of walking up and down the stairs with your construction waste? And once you're down, almost there, the bag rips apart. 123 Big Bags introduces something new. The Easy Chute, a flexible rubbish chute for easy disposal of your debris. You can order the Easy Chute online at 123bigbags.com. Within 24 hours, we'll deliver a compact package with all the items you'll need to set up your Easy Chute. In this example, we use the Easy Chute starter set and 3 extra chutes. We then have 4 chutes, a filling board, tie wraps and 2 lashing straps. The Easy Chute is easy to set up, and thanks to its very thick fabric, it can handle all kinds of debris. Safe and less noisy than a traditional hard rubbish chute, it's also much cheaper than renting one. You save a lot of time and money with our flexible Easy Chute. Go to 123bigbags.com and order the Easy Chute online now. Order today and your Easy Chute will be delivered the next working day.